Hair Care Unisex Beauty Salon. Your beauty is our duty. A place where you will feel perfect. Our services are any style haircut, hair dyeing, highlight, blow dry, eyebrow trim, waxing, perm, and much more facial treatments. We speak English, Kurdish, Turkish, Spanish, and Italian. You can visit us anytime from Tuesday to Saturday between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Sundays by appointment only. We are located at 1280 Finch Avenue West, Unit 118, 5 minutes away from Finch West Station. So hurry up to book an appointment. Dial 416-739-7999.